Guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking an RS 40mm padlock. It's actually brass enclosed in like a plastic housing, maybe for weather protection or damage when it's banging against a door or shed, etc. It's a lock that was sent to me by kind Sovereign 1844 on our UK Lock Sport forum, aka Lewis Sanderson on YouTube. He sent me a few locks. I think he got a job lot off eBay. A few of them were the sort of Brady Abus lockouts. Thought I'd pick this one first, and you'll see why in a minute. I think it's a 4-pin. It's obviously got the 209 written on there, maybe from previous owner. Now this does open really quickly. Not sure what the RS stands for company wise, didn't bother sort of looking into it. No offence to the company, but to me RS means really shit. Sorry for the bad language. Pick I'm going to use is this short tuck, custom one made for me some time ago. Tension wrench. Is this from the Clom range? My first ever pick set. Let's have a go at getting it open. You can see the plug moving round a tad there. So once the plug has moved over, I just add a little bit more tension on it. Back to front. So to the back, tension on. It's open. Do that 2 more times. Open again. Be a good lock for newbies actually. Picks open again. So that's the RS 40mm padlock single pin pick. So as I say, if you are newbies to Lock Sport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.